Yeah. Baf4kids, high five. Welcome back.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome to the Baf4kids family. Today we're gonna
Playing on the snow. It's been snowing a lot. You know, we've been having snow all day, all night. So we're gonna go have fun, play with the snow.
So we're gonna slide down a hill with you.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice! I can't wait.
Let me get up.
Let's go.
I better bundle up. You know, it's really cold outside.
Yep, it is.
Open the door behind me.
Oh.
Hi, Ryan. Are you looking forward? Oh, you already started. Yep. Wow, look at that. Let me start also. Wow, here it is. Here. Come on, Rana. Come on. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Ryan is feeling cold. Where are your gloves? Where are your gloves? Where are your gloves? Where are Ryan's gloves? Yeah, he needs some gloves. Come on, let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna go all the way back there and then slide back down.
Ooh.
Mama!
Yeah? Okay, you want me to help you to put it on?
Cold.
I know, I'm sorry. What is it, Ryan?
It's so deep.
It's so deep, right? Oh, this is so fun. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. Look. Oh, that's how deep. Oh, oh my God, it's so deep.
I told you.
Yes, it is.
I need to go all the way up there.
What did you say?
I need to go all the way there.
Yeah. Oh, are you enjoying the snow, Ryan? Let me see you running. Can you run? Come on, let's run. Me and you. 1, 2, 3. Woo.
I'm not running anymore.
You're not running
They're
anymore?
right there.
Where are they? There they are. No, that's not them. Oh, it's cold. Come on, Ryan, let's go. They're over there. They're sliding. Let me take some snow. And I'm gonna hit Ryan. Whoa, snow fight. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. Do it again. Whoa, that's nice. Come on, let's go. See how deep this is. Wow. Oh, the whole hand. And still. Wow, I can see the grass. We are on our way. What?
You guys should come here. It's really fun.
Okay. There we are.
It's really fun.
Whoa. Oh. Oh, this is so nice. I like the view. It's all so white. Everybody's outside. I mean, not everybody. Nobody is outside. Hey, Rhoda. What? You want a toy? I don't have a toy. You have all this snow all over here.
Guys, the fun part is still snowing.
Yeah? Yes, it is.
You ready?
Oh, it's snowing.
You want to do a race with me?
Okay, let me see. Whoa, this is a hill. Oh, you guys are gonna slide here? Whoa, come on. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, Baba is number 1. Wow. Come on, Rhoda. You don't want to go? Oh, that's fine. Yeah. There's Rania. Wow.
If you ever went skating in these,
Yeah?
it's really fun.
It's fun? Are you having a good time? Wow.
The coolest? Nah.
Yeah. Look, there's Ryan.
Rahul, you want to do it with Baba? Come on, let's do it. Your gloves is on?
Wait. Baba,
Oh, it's snowing now. It's snowing. Ah! Oh, Ryan is hitting me with some snow. Okay, buddy. Here, here. You see? This is a big one. This is a big one. 1, 2, 3. Oppa, I got you. Oppa, I got you. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Before she goes. Before she slides. Oh, there she goes. Oh, I didn't get her. It's snowing. It's snowing heavy right now. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, and it's cold.
You gotta try, Mama.
Yes, I want to try that.
You gotta try.
It looks fun.
It is fun.
Look at Rana. What are you doing, Rana?
You know what?
You wanna make an
We're
angel?
racing.
Come on.
Round me and Rayan.
No, me versus Mom.
You versus Mama? Okay, come on. Oh, it's snowing.
Rayan wants to go for it again with me,
Okay.
and Rauda wants to go again with me.
Guys, comment down below if it's a snowstorm or not. Because I think it's a snowstorm. But my mom doesn't think it's a snowstorm.
No, it's just snowing. It's not a storm.
It's a snowstorm!
I
No.
need help with Rauda.
Yeah, what's wrong?
She needs to put on her hat and gloves.
Okay, let me help her.
While I'm going with Rayan. Come on, Rayan, let's go.
Come, Rhoda. I'm gonna help you. Come on, Rhoda. Uh-oh. Come and help you. Come, let me put some gloves. Yes, Rhoda. Rayan? Yes. Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my God. What happened? My shoe? Oh, so you got no shoe? Run out. You gotta put your shoe. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, it's slippery. Oh my God, you gotta put your shoes, girl. Hurry up.
Guys, let's see the difference of falling from that hill.
Come on, Rana, hurry up. Put your shoes.
It's so cold.
I know. Rayan, are you having a good time?
The best time of my life.
Yeah?
Snow day of my life.
Yes, it's the best day for snow, honestly.
Mama, I want to come with you again.
You wanna go with me again?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, Rania, you gotta record it. Let me go with Rayan.
Gotcha.
I'll help you out with this one.
Right here. Rana, you and me are the wreck. Come. Yeah.
Me and Rayan will be together.
Yeah, versus who then? Come on, guys. Guys, can I give you a present? Oh my gosh! Okay, let's see them go down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Honestly, oh my god. Honestly, I'm enjoying eating all the snow. Guys, watch this. You see a pipe like this? You do this, flat it, and then put your lip on it. What about me? Flat it. Ryan! This boy. Guys, seriously? With what?
Rauda, she's freezing.
Oh, she's in the car?
Yeah, she's really freezing. Alright, Rayan, let's go.
Alright. Y'all are racing.
Yeah.
Y'all are racing and you're saying, wait, what?
Wait, let's get ourselves ready. Alright.
I begin. Ready, set, and go! Go!
Let's go. Come on.
Ryan, go! What the heck?
Oh, Rania, that's cheating.
What do you mean? Oh my god!
Wow, we're flat. Oh my God.
You guys Exactly.
Yeah, but that's not cheating, man. You gotta get a hand. She needs to get a hand. Run up. That was really cool. I'm impressed. Okay, here's your gloves. Do you want to go with Rania and Rana?
Sure.
Yeah.
Me versus you.
With me?
Yeah.
Did you do with Rana yet?
No? Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, now.
Go with Rana.
Sure.
Where's Raya?
Right there.
What's happened to your gloves? It came out? Did you fix it?
No.
What's wrong? You're eating snow? What happened to you?
I don't know. I'm eating snow.
You're funny, man. Come on.
Hold up!
Alright, girls. When I say ready, set.
Help!
No, hold up. Hold up, right there. Ready, set, go. Come on, Anna, push it. Push yourself. Come on, push yourself. Push yourself. Rana, she's the winner. Look at you. You start going fast. Down, but Rana, she beat you. Oh my God, that was cool.
Say what now?
Rana, you throw your shoes, girl. What happened to your shoes?
It's too...
You gotta tighten it.
How?
There's a shoelace right there.
Where?
Where's there? Pull it up. Come on.
Really?
Come on. Ah.
I don't know what to do.
You wanna do it again with me, Ryan? Aye.
Okay. So...
Why do you wanna go with me all the time?
Because I'm scared by myself.
Why are you scared by yourself?
Because...
You're not supposed to be scared. You can do it, you're a boy. I wanna see. I wanna go have fun by myself. Not with you.
Oh, damn.
Ah, see?
You're too fast. Oh, my God.
You know what we're gonna do right now?
What?
A snow fight! A snow fight! What happened? What? Your shoes?
Mama, you know what?
What's wrong with your shoes?
Mama!
Rana, she looks like her feet. It's getting all snowy and cold and frozen.
Mama, do you know what he's gonna do?
What? Whoa! Rana, come on, let's
You
go.
guys, I got a perfect idea.
What about Rana? You should go in a car first of all to warm it up yourself. What is your perfect
First of all, dance party, and also after that, let's do a snowman. Let's build a snowman.
Alright, cool.
This is my victory dance.
This Ryan has been eating snow.
Guys,
That's fun.
I'm gonna show you my victory dance.
That's your victory dance?
Yeah.
Alright, you hold the camera. I gotta carry Rana to the car.
Carry her.
Yeah.
She's a baby? I never knew that. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh.
Look at her.
This is...
Rania, I gotta carry this. Gotta carry her. Ready, set, go!
Oh, it's cold!
So basically,
Yeah?
I'm out of breath.
You are?
Yeah.
Come on, slide again. What are you doing? Look at Rava. Look at Rania. Oh, 2, okay? Let's see. 1, 2.
So basically,
Okay?
hold this and pull it up.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Let me push you, okay?
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Come on, go! Slide! You need a push?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. There you are. Go! Do you still need a push?
I need one person.
Come on.
I want to come with you. Sorry, but...
Oh, she fell off. Let's see. Rhoda, what are you trying to do? Hey, cutie. Do you need help?
Yes.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, me too. Let's play snowball. Snow fight? Come on.
No.
1, 2, 3. Go! I got you. I got you. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got you. Oh.
I got you.
You did? There they are. There they are. Oh, buddy. Oh. What's going on, Ryan? What's happening? What's happening? Oh. Oh, this is nice. Rania, she's doing some digging. I don't know what she's looking for. So it can be more fun and more slippery? Oh, okay. I didn't know if you do that, it's going to be more slippery. You need some help? Okay, let me know. Go help Rhoda to slide.